Hi there, I'm Andre from HUDSON Tactical in Montreal, Canada. I'm here to show you our new HUDSON Tactical LE Mill Accessories Kit. It comes with 5 different components. We have what we call the Web Dominator MOLLE attachment system, which is a high tensile strength polymer plastic which is designed to secure hydration tubes on a backpack, communication equipment, loose webbing systems, tactical gloves, or any other piece of equipment required. Over here we have our Grimlock MOLLE D-ring attachment system, lightweight high-strength polymer plastic. It is designed to carry a water bottle or any other piece of kit. The Grimlock system has a unique pressure release. By pressing it once down, the stainless steel spring will grind any sand particles or water accumulation, making it the universal all-theater D-ring attachment system. We have 2 Alpha zip lines, which are high tensile plastic designed to withstand a weight of up to 70 pounds. This plastic is oil resistant, blood resistant, and weather resistant. It's designed to be put on any pull tab of any zipper system, any other pouch, or any tactical backpack. Lightweight, high strength polymer designed carabiner can be transported on any commercial airliner. It is designed to be used on any tactical backpack or on any soft or hard body armor to carry any kind of equipment, such as a lung gun or other piece of kit. Quick attach surface Picatinny rail. It is designed to be attached on any MOLLE system, such as soft or hard body armor, tactical backpack, accommodate any piece of equipment that has a Picatinny rail, such as a tactical flashlight. For more information, please contact us or visit us at our website, HUDSONTactical.com.